Hi, so I want to talk to you today about the sample bottles that came in your Young Living Premium Starter Kit because I want to make sure that you are using them because they are a wonderful thing. If you have an oil that you love and you know that one of your friends or family would love it, you can put some oil in the sample bottle and share it with them. If you have oils that you like to keep with you, like throughout the day, like carry with you just in case you might need them, the little sample bottles are perfect for that too. They take up less space like in your purse and you can carry a whole bunch of them at once. So in your premium starter kit, there was a little package of little vials that is in there. And all you have to do is put an oil in it, whatever kind of oil that you want. And then there are little kind of clearish white caps. They're called orifice reducers. So this prevents the oil from just completely spilling out all over. So what you do with this is you just put it right on top of the bottle and push it down. Sometimes they don't stay in right away, but if you get the black cap and screw it on and kind of push that little orifice reducer down in there, it'll usually stay on then after you twist the cap on. On mine, I actually bought some little labels, and I have labels on all of them, otherwise I wouldn't know what was what, or you could write on them, I suppose. Another trick I want to make sure to tell you, because I had someone once, they had some Thieves Vitality in a sample bottle, and they were kind of feeling a little run down, and they thought they needed a little immune support, so they wanted to use their Thieves, and they could not figure out how to get it out of the bottle. Tipped upside down, nothing is happening. So this person stuck this in their mouth and sucked the oil out, which it worked, but I want to make sure everybody knows how you get the oil out. So tip it upside down a little bit and you just tap. I don't know if you can see it shooting out there. Just tap the bottom of it, and it's about half of a drop of oil that comes out for each tap. So that's the trick to get the oil out of those bottles. Another really cool thing is I bought this online. I did not know where I bought it from, but it is super handy. I can carry all of these different oils, and I can jam a few more extra ones in there too. Carry them with me all the time in my purse, so I know exactly where they're at. If I need one throughout the day, and I've got it right there. So if you are under me in Young Living and you do not have one of these, please contact me. Otherwise, if you're not under me and you want one, go ahead and order one or contact me too. So I hope that helped a little bit. I know there was some confusion on how the bottles worked and stuff, so hope you start using them. Thank you for listening. See you later. Bye.